good evening to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Drishti Homeopathy Classes. Today I want to discuss regarding the bone of upper extremities, which is ulna. This is the ulna. This video is also the continuation of the previous video. Regularly I shoot the video of different bones. Now I want to discuss regarding the ulna. This is the ulna. First, we have to know what are the parts of the ulna. This is the upper part, like some other long bones. This is the upper part, this is the shaft, and this is the lower part. Upper part includes, this is the projected portion. This projected portion is called olecranon process. Two processes in the upper part. One is olecranon process, other is coronoid process. One is olecranon process, other is coronoid process. Two processes. And two articular surfaces are there. One articular surface is trochlear notch. This is the trochlear notch which articulates with the trochlea of the humerus. One more articular surface is, this is the radial notch. This is the radial notch which articulates with the head of the radius. This is the articulated area. So in upper part, two processes, two articular area. Next comes, we have to know the side determination, which side this ulna belongs. For knowing these things, we have to know the above and below. In the above, olecranon process and coronoid process is on the above, and styloid process and head is below. Above and below. So we can't hold the bone in this fashion. We have to hold the bone in this fashion only, because both the process is on the upper side and head and styloid process on the below. Next come to the anterior and posterior. This is the trochlear notch which is facing anteriorly. This is the trochlear notch. Next thing is styloid process, which is present posterior-medially. So we have to hold this bone is on the left side, as because this belongs to the left side. And one more thing is lateral and medial. Interosseous border, which is sharpest border, is on the lateral side, and this is the styloid process, which is posterior and medial side. This is the side determination. On that ground we can told कि ये जो bone है ये किधर का है, बायां साइड का ulna bone है. Next thing, in the shaft we have three border and three surfaces. One border is anterior border. Anterior border starting from the ulnar tuberosity and descend down to the base of the styloid process. Next border is posterior border, which starts from the upper part and going below, descending downward up to the styloid process. This is the posterior border. And next is interosseous border or lateral border. This is the border of the shaft of the ulna. Next is surfaces. This is the anterior surface which is present between the anterior border and interosseous border. Next is posterior border, which is present between the posterior border and interosseous border. This is the posterior surface. As because this is the interosseous border and this is a posterior border. One more surface is there, is a medial surface. Which is present between the anterior border and posterior border. Next come to the lower part. We have a head. This is the head, and this is the styloid process. The styloid process of ulna is a little above in comparison to the radius. The styloid process of radius is 1 centimeter below the styloid process of ulna. Like this. This is the articular area. This is the styloid process of radius, and this is the styloid process of ulna. This is all about regarding the anatomy of ulna. Thank you.